Welcome to In this video we are talking about 5 best gold hoverboards. So number 1 Jetson Heli X is a self-balancing electric hoverboard with luminous deck and rims, extreme terrain tires, and built-in Bluetooth speaker. Customers like the lights, speed, and age range of the hoverboard. It also has a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a range of 10 miles. In short, this hoverboard seems like a great choice for those who are looking for a fun and functional way to get around. And now we are talking about number 2 the Jollage hoverboard with Bluetooth and LED lights is a fun, safe ride for both kids and adults. It features a sleek design, self-balancing technology, and vibrant lights. The built-in Bluetooth speaker adds entertainment to your rides, and its UL 2272 certification ensures safety. Ideal for smooth rides on various surfaces, it's a great choice for those seeking a stylish and functional hoverboard. Number 3, the Hover One electric hoverboard is an impressive gadget with lasting battery life and integrated Bluetooth speakers. Its sleek design and smooth ride make it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. However, it can be a bit pricey compared to other models. Overall, it's a fun and reliable hoverboard that delivers a great riding experience. Number 4, the Hover One H1 hoverboard offers a smooth ride with its powerful motors and durable design. Its built-in Bluetooth speakers and customizable LED lights add a fun, modern touch. With solid battery life and a responsive, easy-to-use app, this hoverboard is a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. Number 5, the Swagtron Swagboard Pro T1 hoverboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and fun ride. It offers smooth performance, a sturdy build, and a decent battery life, making it suitable for both kids and adults. The safety features are top-notch, ensuring a secure experience for users. Highly recommended for those seeking a quality hoverboard. If you're ready to take your off-road adventures to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description for more details on the best off-road hoverboards available on Amazon in 2024. Get ready to experience the thrill of off-road riding like never before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.